Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So today we are going to learn vitamin, the types of vitamins and their few sources where the vitamins are obtained. Okay. So vitamin, the term vitamin was coined by the great scientist by the name Funk, F-U-N-K. So the great scientist by the name Funk was a scientist who first time coined the term vitamin. Vitamin means vital amines. That means the different types of amino acids which are present to perform function in our body. So here, how can we define vitamins? A vitamin is an organic compound required as a nutrients in a tiny amount in our body. We require tiny amount. So these vitamins are obtained from the different source. Why can't our body synthesize? Yes, our body can synthesize the vitamin which is insufficient for our daily metabolic activity. So the vitamins can also synthesize in our body, but it can synthesize in tiny amounts. So such type of tiny amount of vitamins cannot be undergo proper cell metabolism. So they require in our dietary source, whatever the source we eat in the form of food. So through the diet, these vitamins are going to be produced in our body. Are you getting me?
Yes,
Right
yes,
now. So vitamins are classified into two different types, namely water soluble vitamin, then fat soluble vitamins. So water solubles are C and B. So in our earlier classes, in your childhood also we have gone through that the vitamins are divided into two different types, namely water soluble and fat soluble. So ADEK is a common term word, right? We learn in our basic classes. So fat solubles are ADEK, whereas water solubles are C and B. So C is commonly known as ascorbic acid, and this ascorbic acid is a very important acid which can helpful in our cell metabolism, right? So in the next class we will learn about the functions. On that functions we will go through what is the function of vitamin A, D, E, K, C and B, right? So here, the scientific name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. So when you are preparing for any entrance examination, they will ask two questions among from this classification of vitamin, function and sources. So keep it in mind. So ascorbic acid is obtained from citrus fruits, tomato, berries. These are the sources. Okay. Today we are learning vitamin and their sources. So here, even we have another one is water soluble vitamin, namely B. Vitamin B. So vitamin B is classified into various types. Among them, thiamine is B1, riboflavin is B2, niacin is B3, biotin, pantothenic acid, folic acid and vitamin B12. B12 is known as cyanocobalamin, right? So here in case of cyanocobalamin is also one of the questions which was frequently asked. What is that? Cyanocobalamin. So this is a frequent question. Deficiency of cyanocobalamin results in the formation of disease, pernicious anemia. We will discuss in upcoming classes right now. So if they will ask B2, vitamin B2 is known as riboflavin. B3 is known as niacin. Cyanocobalamin is also known as
vitamin B12.
Right. So these vitamin B and vitamin C are what type of soluble are?
Water soluble vitamins.
So here we have the fat soluble vitamins, namely vitamin A, D, E, K. So vitamin A is known as retinol, vitamin D is known as calciferol, vitamin E is known as tocopherol, vitamin K is known as phenylquinone, right? Phylloquinone. What is that? Phylloquinone. Right. So what are the different sources? Vitamin A is obtained from the green vegetables, carrot, beetroot, etc. Whereas vitamin D is rich in
Fish.
Sources. What sources? Fish, egg yolk,
Cheese.
cheese. And apart from them, vitamin D is also can be produced in our body through
Sunlight.
So that is one other thing. So vitamin E, almond and peanuts are the sources. Then vitamin K is also from the vegetable, green parts of the vegetable. So here, apart from that, few vitamins are there. Few vitamins which are responsible to act like in a hormonal activity, and some may involve in regulator in nature, some may act like an antioxidant in nature, some may act like the prosthetic group and coenzyme. So beta here, hormones which are going to be regulate the cell metabolism, they should be maximum, they will involve in mineral metabolism. You know, we have micronutrients and macronutrients. And all these micronutrients and macronutrients which are responsible in our body to perform cell metabolic activity. In the same way, the vitamins can involve to proper mineral regulation in our system can be done by vitamins. Vitamins, vital. Amines, different types of
Vitamins.
right amino acids which involves in required in our cell metabolism. So these are the few classification of vitamins which are differentiated in two different types: water and fat solubles, and water solubles are nothing but vitamin
C and D.
Then as of fat solubles are, these are all
A,
A,
D, K.
D,
A,
E,
D.
right? In entrance examination, they will ask frequent.
Philo.
Phylloquinone is a type of vitamin. Which vitamin?
Vitamin K.
So, which vitamin is
No.
coagulatory in nature? Means blood coagulator. We will learn in the next class. Vitamin K helpful in blood coagulation in nature. So, coagulatory vitamin is vitamin K. So, vitamin E is known as tocopherol. It is known as anti-sterolytic vitamin. We will discuss in upcoming classes. So this is a basic related to the definition of vitamin and the classification, and some regulate in hormonal activities, regulation of cell division. You know, when you concentrate animal cell or plant cell, and these animal cell and plant cell want to be divided. So we have the vitamin A is responsible for the division in plants, in animals and their cell metabolism. In case of tissues also, they are going to be regulated, right? Are you getting me? Maximum we can found in lower organisms and even higher organisms. This regulation can be done by vitamins, namely vitamin A, which helpful in cell and cell tissue growth, right? So that is a condition we found in animals also, where they will divide to give rise to different parts of growth can be seen. So this is about how the regulation can be involved. An antioxidant, vitamin E and C. We feel, you know, when you people will drink citric juices, you know, orange juice, lemon juice. After 2-3 or maybe 5 minutes later, what happened? We feel that acidity will be released, right? Are you getting me? You feel. So that one we call them as antioxidants in nature. The next one is sometimes these vitamins along with the enzyme, they act like a coenzyme and prosthetic group to perform what we call metabolic activity. You know, enzyme linked with any other group, NADH or FAD, so they act like a coenzymes or cofactor to perform the regulation in cell metabolism. Like that, the vitamins can also interlink with different types of hormones, different types of enzymes, and they perform their cell metabolic activity. So this is today's brief relation related with the concept of vitamins, and